Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Let's go to training. This case is like the previous case. Corners are correct, but the difference is that it has a full row. The first case, age should go to the front, but in the second case, age should go to the right. We throw the whole row behind. The first case, R2, U, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R prime. The second case, behind row, R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe me and share video for friends. Hope to see you soon.